Students, we study three quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and magnetic angular momentum quantum number. Students, two scientists, that is George Uhlenbeck and Samuel Goldschmidt, in 1925 discussed a new quantum number that known as electron spin quantum number. It is denoted by ms. According to that scientist, if like that Bohr model, that one drawback, if in a multi-electron system, if found doublet or triplets, two lines in spectrum doublets and three lines in that system like this, like doublet, and this like triplets, they could not explain doublet and triplets due to this spin quantum number, they can't explain. So in one orbital maximum two electron accommodate like this, and that electron spin either clockwise or anti-clockwise. According to these two scientists, electron revolving around the nucleus like in our earth, planets revolving surround the sun, in similar way the electrons also revolve around the nucleus, but revolving they are spin also, means they rotate either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So they can write spin up, spin down, or we can write 1 by 2 plus a half, other 1 by 2 minus, plus half and minus half. Sometimes they earlier represent by half added arrow also, half upside and downside, but these days they represent full arrow. In one orbital maximum two electron accommodate and they have opposite spin. So this one is fourth quantum number and their magnitude plus half and minus half. Students, now we conclude the four quantum numbers. At first we studied, that is the principal quantum number. That principal quantum number denoted by small n. It decides size and maximum part of the energy, size and energy, and decide the cell in the orbital. So this is the principal quantum number. Second quantum number is azimuthal quantum number, angular orbital quantum number, and magnetic orbital quantum number, that denoted by small l. This decides the shape of the orbital and subcell or sublevels, and this remaining part of the energy, rest part of the energy in multi-electron system, remaining part of energy. The second quantum number. Students, third quantum number that decides magnetic angular momentum quantum number, that is denoted by ml, and this decides orientation in space. Orientation of orbitals in space. How can they orient it? And it's find out total number of orbitals, that is 2l plus 1, and their value minus l2 plus l, means 0, between 0. So we can identify their value, number of orbitals and orientation. The fourth quantum number denoted by electron spin quantum number represented by ms. Their value either plus half or minus half. It is a vector quantity, either movement clockwise or anti-clockwise. So these four quantum numbers, and we can represent. Now we solve some numericals problem. Students, now we solve a numerical problem given at page number 51. Problem number 2.17. What is the total number of orbitals associated with the principal quantum number n is equal to 3? The question is this: what is the total number of orbitals? Total number of orbitals. Find out when the principal quantum number n is equal to 3. Then students, how can we find out the principal quantum number 3? Then at first we write the azimuthal quantum number L, and L value 0 to n minus 1. This one is a formula. So it value start, L value is equal to 0, 1 and 2, means n is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So total 3 value, 0, 1 and 2 value. And the orbital depend on this value. So each L value, then we find out ML value. ML value we can find out for L value. If L value 0, then ML value also 0. Why? Because ML value depend on L value, and its value total minus L to 0, then plus L. So 0 means plus minus 0. So if L is equal to 1, that is 1, then ML value minus 1, 0 plus 1 means 3 value. If L is equal to 2, this one, then ML value 5, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. These 5 value possible. Students, other name we can write. If L is equal to 0 means S. If L is equal to 1 means P subcell. L means 2 means D subcell. So we can say if L is equal to S means only one orbital. If L is equal to 1 means P have 3 orbital. L is equal to 2 means D, then 5 orbital. These are 5 orbital. So we can find total number of orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 orbital possible. And one orbital maximum 2 electron accommodate. So total 18 electron can accommodate. Other formula also we can find out. We know the number of orbital, find out, that is n square. So student, n is equal to given 3. So 3 square. 3 square is equal to 9. This way also we can find out. And another formula, total number of electron, that is 2n square. We studied in 9th class. So in one orbital 2 electron accommodate with a positive spin. So maximum 18 electron can accommodate in third cell. So in this we can find out different number of orbitals, and this value S, P, D and F. Another numerical we will solve. Another numerical, using S, P, D, F notations, describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. Using S, P, D, F, S, P, D and F notation, represent the following quantum numbers. A is given. The question is this: if n is equal to 2 and L is given 1. Question B: if n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 0. Question C: if n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1. Question number 4: if n is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. Another one, E: if n is equal to 5, L is equal to 3. Then students, how can we write their SPDF? So these are two quantum number given. These are question given. Two quantum. N means this one is principal quantum number. N is principal quantum number. L is azimuthal quantum number. When we combined, then we write subcell. So this 2 and 1, we can write 2p. Because students, 1 means p. L, 1 means p and this is 2. What is this? 4s. We can write 4s. Why? Because L value 0. 0 means s. Other one 3 and this 1. So we can write 3p. 3 and L value 1 means p. Then what? N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. Then we can write 3d because 2 means d. And what is N5, L3? Then we can write 5f because L is equal to 3 means f. Students, these are value. Another numerical I want to explain and find out what are the possible value or not. We have to find 1p is possible or not. 1p. We have to identify 4d is possible or not. 3f is possible or not. Students, we have to find out. So how can we see 1p? Then we write the value. 1p means n is equal to 1 and p means L value also 1. This is not possible. Why? Because L value always less than 1. Means L value may be 0 to n minus 1 only. So this is not possible. So we can say 1p is not possible. 1p is not possible. 1p is not possible. Why? Because 1p means n is equal to 1 and p means L also 1. That is not possible. Why? Because L value always 0 to n minus 1 means L value only 0 possible. It means only 1s possible. 1s is possible, not 1p. Other one 4d. Students, we check the value possible or not. Then we write n is equal to 4 and d what? D means what are the value of L? L value means 2. L value means 2. D means L value 2. So this is possible. Why? Because L value possible 0, 1, 2 and 3 up to 3. Means this 4 value possible. So 4 and 2 means this is favorable. So this easily can possible. Other one 3f. Again we check. Then n is equal to 3 and L is equal to also 3. Because f3 this is again not possible. Why? Because this value only 0, 1 and 2. These 3 are possible. Because L value start from 0 to n minus 1. So n is equal to 3. So 0, 1 and 2 possible, not 3. So 3f is not possible. So students, sometimes question g from where is start means 5g is possible or not. So we can check 5g possible or not. So we write if n is equal to 5, then L is equal to write g. G means 4. So yes, it is possible. Why? Because L value start from 0 to n minus 1 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is possible. So how can you remember? Students, we earlier know L value start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So what are the notation? These are subcells and you have to write subcell. How can we represent? 0 means S, 1 means P, then D, F. These four have a separate meaning we earlier discussed: sharp, principal, diffuse and fundamental. After that we write the alphabets G, H, I, J, K, L in similar way. And they are number of subcell and their value depend on n. So we can write first f possible from the 4f, first f possible from 4f, first d possible from 3d. So students, this 2d is not possible, 2d is not possible, 2f is not possible. Why? Because 2 means n value 2, d means l value also 2, not favorable. 2f is not possible. So these, in this way we can explain which orbital possible and not. Man, this type question comes in competition exam. Identify which orbital are possible and which are not. Students, one more numerical in our NCERT exercise at page number 66. The question is this: list the quantum number m and l of electron for 3d orbitals. The question is given, list the quantum numbers for 3d orbitals. Students, how can we write? This is given, so at first we write n. N is given, n means 3, that is principal quantum number. D, D means L, azimuthal quantum number value 2. Then third we have to write ml. ml value depend on this 2 value, so we can write this value start from minus L to 0 and then plus L. This value we already know, so minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. So these are 5 value we can represent by in this orbital. These are 5 orbitals. So these are 5 value and they have different representation. Tomorrow we will study in detail these are. And fourth value we can write ms, that is plus half and minus half, plus minus half. You can write if the number of electrons. So these students, these are value 3, 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Another one numerical in this: which of the following orbital are possible? From this there is given 1p, other one given 2s, 1p, 2s, 2p and 3f. Students, we have to identify which are possible. So we can check 1p. 1p means if n is equal to 1, then L means p also 1. So this is not possible. Why? Because L always less than 1, 0, 2 and minus 1. So this is not possible. 1p is not possible. Then again we check 2s. If n is equal to 2 and s means L value 0. Student, this is possible because it value less than n, means 0 and 1 possible. Other one 2p. We can check 2p means n is equal to 2 and p means L is equal to 1. So this also possible. Why? Because it value less than n. Another 3f, n is equal to 3 and L also 3. This again not possible. Why? Because L value 0, 2 and minus 1. This one is condition. So it value only possible 0, 1 and 2, not 3. So this one is not possible. These two are possible. Students, tomorrow we will discuss shape of different orbitals and filling of electronic configuration and different principles. So if you have any problem, then write in comment box, like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.